There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's monthly insider call with Kraitos. My name is Dominik, and I will take you through different settings, different accounts that I'm personally running, so I can show you what I'm doing with Kraitos, what we did. And today's call, it's really important, so watch it over and over again, because I will share with you some new settings that we implemented, like smart money concept, so you can know how these settings are also working. So let's jump into share screen. First of all, we're gonna jump into one of my customers' accounts, because my account, where is it? My account actually was on NVFX. I don't know if my account is even running, or the history is already like put to another account, because my account was like something got like messed up with, I don't know what. But yeah, I got like out of all the trades. So in November I didn't trade at all. It's a shame, because November was our most successful month. So you can see here, this customer actually finished the month with 4.29%. I also have a customer that had like an amazing month with Kraitos. He was like actually really surprised. I was really surprised. And you can see right now he's like only in one open trade, but the month he finished the month with 8% gain on the account. 3,722 euros he closed in profit. Definitely I will show you the settings that I'm running on these two accounts and everything, so you know what I'm running. So this is still the accounts with the old Kraitos without the smart money. So you can see here the account, and I will also show you what I actually did now with the new settings. And this is what I'm going to show you right now. I will be running these settings from now till January 10th, maybe even January 15th of next year. So, and why I'm going to be running these settings is because one thing, market, it's really unpredictable, especially in December, because the hedge funds, the banks, they're like taking their yearly profits and everything else. And one good example of this is, you can see it here. Before we continue, you can see here, this is just a spike on gold. I always put like Kraitos on gold, like, because this is like the pair that Kraitos doesn't trade. And you can see here what a big spike was when it, like, the market opened on Sunday. You can see here this was a spike of 1,000 pips, and then again almost like more than 1,000 pips down. Let's see how many. From the top today, it went down 12,000 points, so that's 1,200 pips, people. So be really careful the way you trade in December. So what I did, I actually did a position sizing. I was running this account 0.01 per thousand. I decreased it to 0.01 per 1,500 because I want to minimize the risk. I still have my maximum instruments to trade at the same time. I have it at 4. I'm trading the 6 pairs, and I added back now the pairs that they were recommended pairs before, USD CAD and GBP CAD. And why I added them back is because Now we have the smart money concepts and also the quantum zone strategy. Spread filter, I leave it at 3. And then we have minimum required distance between trades in pips. So this I always keep at 60. I don't know, I just like the number 60. Decision units, I had it before at 20. Now this month until 15th of January, I will leave it at 30. So why at 30? Because I don't want like such a high aggressive scale into the trades if I'm in minus. So I put it into 30. Now here are the new settings that we implemented with smart money. So first of all, you have settings here. I'm going to show you now like the really conservative settings. Okay, so smart money confidence set to true and smart money only set to false. So what does this do? First of all, you need confirmation of the smart money, so that the smart money it's trading, let's say on Euro USD, that it's a buy, okay, on the daily chart. And then if this is okay, we have a check mark, then the next confirmations are going to have to come in, and this is the smart entry of Kraitos that it was already built in before. So if you want to be really conservative and have like really precise entries, then you should have it set like this: smart money confidence true and smart money only set to false. Okay, if you want to go only in a direction where the smart money is trading without the smart entries confirmation, then you can do it like that. You can put this to false and you can put this to true. So if you have it set up like this way, that means like as soon as you're going to put Kraitos onto the chart, it's going to open up trades. Why it's going to open up trades as soon as you put it on the chart? Because it doesn't need the smart confirmations from Kraitos, but it's just going to trade in the way that smart money is trading. Okay, so this is a little bit more aggressive, so I'm gonna leave it like this. And quantum zone strategy, I have it set to true. So initial trade take profit, I have it set to 30. Trading stop loss, I have it set to true, and trail initial trade, I have it set to 10. The same thing, I have it at the managing trades 30 through and 10. Take profit at pivot levels, I have it set to false. Trade supervision and to position if positive, I have it set to false. Relaxing after X many trades. So what does that mean? Okay, some people ask me, oh, I don't want Kraitos to open up more than one trade. So if you don't want Kraitos to open up more than one trade, what you have to do, let's say Euro USD, and you don't want Euro USD to scale in at all. Okay, it only opens one trade. What would you have to do? You have to put here 1. If you want Kraitos to only to open up 2 trades, then you put here 2. If you want to put 4, it's on one pair, then you can set it up to 4. So if Euro has open Euro 1, Euro 2, Euro 3, and Euro 4, this is the most trades it can open. Okay, then my max allowed lot size, I still keep it at 0. I still divide my balance with 15,000. Okay, so if my balance right now it's 7,800, I divided with 15,000, so my max lot size should be 0.52. Okay, but what I did actually here, because I scaled here back, I divided my lot size with 7,800. I divided it by 20,000. Okay, 20,000, sorry, 7,800 divided by 20,000 is 0.39. So I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to be conservative this month until 15th of January. Keep trading after equity protected. It's reached through. NT5 notification, if 4% of drawdown it's reached. And then I have chill out when percentage of drawdown it's reached on the balance. So if the drawdown limit gets, if drawdown goes to 10%, then it cannot open no managing trades, no nothing, but it can only open actually, it has to wait till it comes down under 10%. So, and these are my settings for January. I'm also testing some new things. You can see the drawdown, it's a little bit bigger. Why it's a little bit bigger? Because this is like a high aggressive account where I want to see how Kraitos moves through the market with like big moves. And one thing that I'm already observing is Euro NZD. Okay, Euro NZD, it's like one pair that I see personally that Kraitos doesn't agree with. Okay, because it makes like a lot of movement. And you can see here we were like in buys and buys here. and then it was break of structure. So now we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades open, because here I actually gave Kraitos like I can like open up 20 pairs, 20 positions on one pair. So yeah, this is one pair. The pair, then like what I'm like also seeing, it's another one that it doesn't like work quite good with Kraitos, and this is Euro GBP. Open chart. You can see here also Euro GBP, it's like a bigger drawdown. So Euro GBP and Euro NZD are actually like the biggest drawdown right now, but because I don't have like any filters on, if I would have like only allow cross directional pairs, I wouldn't be in such a big drawdown. But as I'm saying, I'm writing it here like without any restrictions, so I can see, and I'm trading like all the pairs at the same time to see what it can happen. And you can see here it's like Euro GBP, it's also in a big drawdown, and I think there is like also Euro JPY, open chart. And yeah, Euro JPY, it's one of the same, and you can see they're all in buys. So if I would have cross-directional allowed, I would be only, let's say, Euro NZD, so the drawdown would be way smaller. But again, I'm running here without any restrictions because I want to see if we can find like any other pairs that are working like really good. This is like why the drawdown it's a little bit bigger. But yeah, I always say we have to see at least like 90 days of testing and everything. And you can see here, minimum required distance between trades and pips, it's 50. Then I have it here 25. Correlation filter, it's off. Smart money confluence is off. Smart money only on. True, this is true. And I have like 50, 20, 70, 30. And you can see here equity relaxing after X many trades, 20 trades, it can open. I have like my equity to 100%. Everything is like to 100% because it's open all the way. But on my live accounts for now, I'm only sticking to the recommended pairs, the best performing pairs. And also what I want to show you something really amazing. Kraitos plus Kraitos X working on the same account. We actually did on a $1,000 account. We did last month $132. Our biggest drawdown was like 13%. So I'm starting this week a brand new live account with $1,000 that I will be running Kraitos and Kraitos X on the same account. And something really amazing that it's coming out, it's Kraitos X. I'm not going to show you how it looks in the back end because it's going to be a surprise for Sunday big official launch. But yeah, today we did 2.91%, and I will show you something 1 week once we implemented the smart money into Kraitos X. You're going to see, I'm going to show you something. Our drawdown was only 0.40%, and we actually did 7% in gain. It has a really high winning ratio. We are winning 92% of the trades, and our profit factor, it's 9.8%. And we go look today, you can see we only had sell, so we're selling, and you can see here only green. Here and there is like one red, but most of the trades we are guys winning. And just today we did, how many trades we did today? Today we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades just today. So it's going to be a really active software that you're gonna like. And yeah, I can't wait that you guys get this into your hands, because it's really something I really think it's gonna change the way people trade with gold. So yeah, guys, this is it for me. There's like nothing more to talk about. So if you need anything, see you in Discord, and I hope you're gonna have a good trading week and also finish this year strong. And 2024, guys, it's our year. Trust me, everybody's gonna be really happy in 12 months from now. So guys, talk to you soon and have a great new year. I wish you happy holidays and talk to you soon. Bye, guys.